Assalamu alaikum. Students of class 4, welcome to our today's online class. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Samia Afrin, Assistant Teacher, Motijheel Model School and College English Version. This session is for class 4, subject Elementary Science. Today I shall discuss about chapter 9, topic Technology in our life. Learning outcome of this chapter: technology in our daily life, technology in healthcare, technology in agriculture. Technology. Technology refers to the practical application of scientific knowledge. Technology is the collection of tools or techniques used to control the environment and finish necessary tasks more easily. Technology and science are closely related. Without scientific knowledge, nothing can be discovered or invented. Again, scientific knowledge develops by means of technology. Technology makes our life better, easier and very comfortable. We use technologies such as bulb, fan, computer, mobile phone, radio, television, etc. at home, which has made our life easy and comfortable. The use of technology in the medical sector has made it easier to diagnose and treat diseases with the devices such as electrocardiogram, MRI, ultrasonography, X-ray machine, etc. Technology also plays a very significant role in agriculture. Tractors, cultivators, irrigation pumps, planters, sprinklers, harvesters, etc. have made it possible to increase the production of crops. Technology at home. We use different technologies in our daily life. There are electric light, fan, iron, television, radio, mobile phone, computer, etc. There are the technologies in a kitchen such as gas burner, refrigerator, rice cooker, microwaves, etc. Electric bulbs enlighten our homes so we can easily study and do our household chores at night. Air coolers ensure our comfort during hot days and nights. Refrigerators help us in storing raw vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, milk, etc. as well as cooked food for a pretty long time. Technology in sports. Many technologies have been introduced in sports. Examples of sports technologies include the sporting equipment such as football, tennis, rackets, cricket bat and ball, clothing and footwear. At present, video camera is also introduced to a number of sports. Technology in entertainment. We use technologies in entertainment fields in our daily life. Computers are one of the technologies that are introduced in entertainment. We can play games, watch movies and dramas, listen songs with a computer. We also use technology in music. Musical instruments such as tabla, harmonium, guitar, violin, piano, drums, CD and DVD player are the examples of using technology in music. In the fun parks, there are different rides such as Ferris wheel, roller coaster, etc. Children's toy and instruments for drawing pictures are examples of entertainment technologies. Technology in medical treatment. Advancements in medical technology have allowed doctors to better diagnose and treat their patients. Many types of medical devices have been developed. Thermometer, stethoscope, and blood pressure meter are examples of simple medical devices. The advanced devices such as X-ray machine, electrocardiogram, ultrasonography, and computerized tomography are also used to examine internal organs. The development of medical technology has made significant contributions to improve the health of people all around the world. Here are 4 pictures in the screen. These pictures are the examples of advanced technology in our agricultural sector. Technology in agriculture. Technology plays an important role in agriculture. Different types of agricultural equipment have been developed. Tractor, cultivator, planter, sprinkler, irrigation pump, harvester, and milking machines are examples of agricultural equipment. It allows a small number of people to grow and to process a lot of food in a shortest period. We produce high quality of variety rice, wheat, potato, and other crops resistant to diseases, pests, and insects by means of modern agricultural technologies. We produce larger amounts and sizes of fruits and grains rich in taste, flavor, and nutrition by means of genetic engineering and biotechnology. Technology is introduced to collect forestry and to invent new variety of plants. We can use chainsaw to cut down the trees and collect wood easily. Technology is used to invent plants with special trait. For example, plant breeding helps us to produce the beauty of many different colors of flowers in a species. Colorful flowers are used for decorating a room or beautifying our environment. Now questions from this chapter. Number 1. What is technology? Write 5 names of technology that are used in sports and agriculture. How can development of agricultural technology help us? Number 2. Ratul goes to a computer fair and he buys a computer. Write 5 uses of this technology. Number 3. We use technology in different situations of our life. Explain how technology at home makes our life more comfortable. Number 4. Describe the role of advanced technology in medical treatment. Students, keep practicing at home. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.